Hi guys, I'm Stephen Larkai and I'm in second year in Lancaster University, and I'm here to share with you some reasons why you must choose Lancaster University. Firstly, our lecture rooms are small, which makes the teachers have much attention for each one of us, and this makes interaction very easy. Number two, we have a smart board in almost all the lecture rooms, where we are able to save the notes of the lectures after they are done making their notes. Number three, and this is the best part for me, I'm connected to an online library, which is fully funded by the school and gives me access to international cases and more. Finally, the environment is very friendly. We have electricity 24/7, so there's no interruption of classes. We have an air conditioner at all times, and there's a good PA system. Hearing is never a problem. So these are the reasons why I want you to come to Lancaster University. So visit our website online, get yourself an admission form, fill it and get enrolled in Lancaster University. Bye.